Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm about to share one useful website with you, and that website will help you get thousands of Udemy courses for free. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So head over to this website from the link given in the description down below and click on all coupons. After that, all courses that are available will be displayed along with some popular courses at the bottom. And to get the course, just click on that course, scroll down and again click on take course, and now you'll get a link to the official website of Udemy. Now here you can see that the actual price of the course is $20, but we are getting this course for free because we have applied the coupon code. Now click on enroll now and again click on enroll now, and you will get the course for free. If you want, you can select the courses from the categories section. Here you can get everything you want to build up your skills for free. Also, this website adds new coupons for new courses daily, so you can check for new courses whenever you want. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one.